Hello friends, today let me talk to you about this beautiful plant that has been growing not in a pot but in the ground, and it has been flowering like this for quite some time. This plant is called as a Palmeria, or it's also called as the Champa plant locally, and this is one of the two varieties that I have. And let me also mention right away, it smells, or the fragrance from these flowers is amazing. So in the evening, it is amazing to sit around this plant and just to smell this lovely fragrance. What had happened is, during the month of February, I had added a lot of cow dung manure to this plant, and as a result, in the month of March, the current month, it has been flowering. So fertilizers plays a very important role while taking care, or while you want flowering from summer plants. So fertilizing here was cow dung manure. If I have to tell you about the sunlight, it gets its minimum of 4 hours of direct bright sunlight. It's not in the shade at all. Also, another aspect is with regard to water. I water it every single day because it gets full sunlight. And for pesticides, I have noticed that it gets affected by mealybugs. For that purpose, I do spray neem oil mixture mixed in water every 15 days or so, because this plant, previous time I had lot of infestation of mealybugs, and luckily this time I do not see it, although I've been checking it every second day. Many a time in large gardens or at hotels and all, we do find this plant having this very compact look and being this miniature tree with lot of flowers. For that purpose, to achieve that compactness, pruning plays a very important role in the care of Palmeria plants or the Champa plants. This plant has been growing in the ground for the last 2 years. So the soil is a normal garden soil that I have used. But in case you've been growing it or thinking of growing it in pots, then here you require well draining soil, because we want the water to be draining out easily. To your garden soil, you can add a portion of river sand so that the mud or the soil mixture becomes very porous. That would be enough to provide it a well draining soil. And with regards to the propagation of this plant can be easily propagated through cuttings. Once you cut it, wait for some time so that the white sap dries out, and then you can go ahead and plant it in a very rich soil, and definitely it will root and grow into a new plant. That is all, friends, the care about this Palmeria plant. I hope you like it, because it is a wonderful plant. You can always add it to your garden, to your collection of summer plants. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, subscribe and share. Thank you.